If you're active on Instagram, chances are you've encountered videos like these. What if I told you that pages like these are generating over $500,000 a month?
This is business.
This revenue comes from promotions, digital products, affiliate links, and sometimes ad revenue, depending on the country. We'll delve deeper into this in the video. Once you've grown your own theme pages, I'll guide you on leveraging them to generate substantial digital income. These Instagram accounts, known as theme pages, are perhaps the most underrated method of earning online. Personally, I manage 2 pages, both of which have amassed over 100K followers in just 4 weeks. It's currently one of the easiest ways to grow online, yet it's often overlooked. Why not capitalize on this opportunity while it's still under the radar? My journey into this concept began on YouTube, where I stumbled upon creators who own massive theme pages across Instagram. After extensive research and refinement of this business model, I decided to give it a try. To my surprise, growing these pages turned out to be much easier than expected. In just a week, my videos went from a handful of views to thousands. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can create your own theme page, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to choose a niche.
Okay.
It's best to select a niche that you're somewhat interested in, as it will fuel your motivation to work on the page. For this tutorial, I've opted for the motivational niche, given its high engagement levels and widespread appeal. Once you've settled on a niche, head to ChatGPT to generate 20 name ideas for your theme page. Once you've chosen a name, create an Instagram account and set up your profile. Next, design a logo for your profile. Canva is a great tool for this purpose. Whether you opt for a text or picture logo, aim for simplicity to maintain a clean aesthetic for your theme page. With your logo in place, complete your profile, add a bio, and customize the page to your liking. Now, onto the type of content you'll be posting. Since I've chosen the motivational niche, I'll be sharing motivational videos. I'll start by finding a relevant clip on YouTube, such as a motivational quote from a podcast featuring David Goggins. After saving the video, I'll use CapCut, a free and user-friendly video editor, to edit and enhance the clip. Once your video is ready, don't forget to choose a compelling title, incorporate relevant hashtags, and encourage viewers to follow for more content. Posting consistently is key to success in this model. Initially, aim for 1 post per day, gradually increasing to 2 or 3 posts as your page grows. Eventually, you may even consider hiring an editor to handle the workload while you focus on managing the account. Monetization opportunities abound with theme pages. Apart from promotional opportunities on your story, you can sell digital products or even earn ad revenue in some countries. The key to success lies in consistency and persistence. Stay dedicated to your posting schedule, and you'll soon reap the rewards. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.